define success? There are many different techniques for how to be successful in life. But the strategy that works best for you may depend on your view of success itself. We often think of it as doing well at work or earning a high salary. But success is not only limited to just professional accomplishment, and in today's Pearls of Intuition, you will learn different types of success. Those who are joining me for the first time, I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author, and a therapist. Success includes many aspects of our life, from family, relationships, academics, athletics are just a few areas where people may strive for success. Success for me is being fulfilled, happy, safe, healthy, and loved. There is no single right way to be successful. What works for you might not work for someone else. There may not be a perfect combination of ingredients that can guarantee success. But if you join my Switch and Upgrade online program, you can improve your chances of being successful in life, love, work, or whatever happens to be important to you. Now let us understand the different types of success. First is physical success. This is how you physically feel, how your body feels, and how you feel about your body. This involves physical health, illnesses, disease, fitness, your energy level, and your physical appearance. Then is evangelical success. Never heard of it, right? This refers to how much influence you may have over other people. This includes other people waiting to listen to your ideas, inspiring other people, and being remembered by people. Next is environmental success. This is about how you interact with the environment around you, how it helps you, and how you help it. This also includes the way that your home and general surroundings makes you feel, how environmentally friendly your lifestyle is. An important success for me is spiritual success. This involves how content you feel about your spirituality or religion, which includes having a sense of belonging, having a sense of purpose, feeling like you have a reason for doing what you are doing. Then comes commercial success. This refers to how successful you are in a job or a business senses. This includes how much money you earn, your reputation, and your business growth. Another very important success is time success. This is all about your time on earth. This includes longevity, how long you will live, how well you manage your time, how you prioritize what you spend your time on. Next is a very common success, which is material success. This type of success involves things that you own or things you can buy, which include your house, car, clothes, jewelry, holidays, and money. Next is collective success. This is all about how you get along with other people, which includes how well you work or play in a team, how productive you are when in a team. There are so many things involved when we talk about success. Another important success is emotional success. This refers to the way that you feel and the way that things in your life make you feel, which includes your general state of mind, relationships, self-esteem, your general outlook on life. The list goes on. And there is also an intellectual success, which means how much you are challenged and how much you are learning. This also includes your school learning, your work, understanding the world around you, feeling challenged. Now all these things can't be perfect for all of us. Many faulty beliefs are blocking our success. Switch and upgrade session can help you bring in various types of success. This spiritual energetic upgrades free up spaces in our mind that are otherwise occupied and used by limiting belief and unhealthy emotional state that we have created, which in turn slows down our mind's ability to manifest our success and help us create infinite possibilities. Act today and join this 30 days of upgrade for spiritual evolution and growth, leading to attracting abundance in every aspect of your life with ease and grace. If you found today's video valuable, do share with your family and friends and let us together make a difference. Be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really helps others find our videos and supports our channel as well. Also, if you ever want to connect directly with me for coaching or therapy, you just need to pick up your phone, the details shared in the description below. Do raise your frequency high, keep it high, keep on attracting success in your life until we meet next. Light and fragrance to all.